Is it going to rain?
It's likely. Today in Amstelveen, there's a good chance of rain from now until around 6 p.m.
Add something to my agenda.
What's the title of the event?
Have dinner.
Alright, when is the event?
At 6 o'clock.
Alright, have dinner on the 4th of February 2020 at 6 p.m. Do you want to save that?
Yes.
Alright, I saved your event.
What's on my agenda?
There's one entry for today. At 6 p.m., you have dinner.
What's the capital of the Netherlands?
Amsterdam is the capital of the Netherlands.
Lights on.
Okay, turning on lights.
Lights off.
Okay, turning light off.